Hey friends, how's it going today? This is a new feature that I'm going to show you in Adobe 2021. It's one of the coolest things that I've seen Photoshop come out with in a while. I'm super excited about it. And the best part is anybody can do it. Like if you can click a mouse, you can do this in 2 seconds. So we are going to replace the sky. Um, Up here. I'm sure that some of you have gone in and replaced the sky before. It's a ton of work, and looking at this, we would have to cut out a lot of stuff, and this would be a ton of work to replace this sky. So check out what Photoshop has done for us. We're just going to go to Edit, let's see, Sky Replacement, and we are going to pick our sky. This is like a sunny photo, so I'm just going to go with a bright sunny sky. There we go. Say okay, and boom. Guys, that simple. So easy. I love it. I just put it in layers here, so if you needed to reduce the opacity or whatever, you could go in there and kind of adjust it if you need to do that. Um, Another quick example, here's just like a fun snapshot. Edit, sky replacement, and you can pick your sky. So cool. I love it. Absolutely amazing. Let's say okay. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff, and we'll talk to you later.